Imagine this, Bitcoin skyrocketing past $100,000 and even hitting $110,000. Sounds impossible? Well, not so fast. In today's video, we're diving deep into whether Bitcoin's next moonshot could break all records. Is this just hype, or are we on the brink of witnessing history in the making? Stay tuned, because what you're about to hear might just change everything you think you know about crypto. Ready to find out if Bitcoin's next move could make you a millionaire? Let's get started. Alright, let's dive straight into the data that could define the future of crypto. To truly understand where the market might be headed, we need to look beyond just Bitcoin's price and analyze three critical indices: total market cap 2, and total market cap 3. These charts don't just tell us what's happening now. They give us a glimpse into a short and midterm future of the entire crypto market. First up, the total market cap chart. From October 2023 to March 2024, we saw two powerful bullish moves. That's undeniable. But what happens next? Well, after that surge, we are now in a period of consolidation, a breather if you will. This is where things get interesting. My eyes are on $1.45 trillion mark. Why? Because a breakout here could signal the continuation of that bullish momentum. For the conservative traders out there like me, this is the level to watch before jumping in. But hey, if you're feeling risky, you might see opportunities as early as the 1.8 to 2 trillion zones. Now let's check out total market cap 2. This one excludes Bitcoin, and guess what? The pattern is strikingly similar. That tells me one thing: altcoins are poised for a bullish run too. The same goes for total market cap 3, which excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you are into high potential altcoins, this is definitely something to keep an eye on. Based on these indices, I'm leaning heavily towards a bullish move across the entire crypto market. But we are not done yet. To make our analysis even more accurate, let's bring the wild card, the USDT dominance chart. This chart shows the market's tendency to either hold liquidity or jump into crypto. Right now, I'm spotting a double top pattern that hasn't quite hit its target yet. If it does, we could see a major drop in Tether dominance, and that usually means a big upside in crypto prices. But here is the catch. The price is still within a bullish channel. So if you're conservative like me, wait for that breakdown before going long on crypto. However, if this channel holds, we might see some more sideways action or even another leg up in Tether dominance, which could stall any crypto rallies. It's a pivotal moment, a make or break situation for the market. Patience is key here. Jumping in too early could mean getting caught in a bull trap. Watch that channel closely and be prepared to act when the signals align. But could the market go other way? Could we see a downturn instead? Absolutely. If Bitcoin loses the $49,000, all bets are off, and we could be looking at lower prices across the board. But wait, there is one more piece of the puzzle: divergence. By analyzing previous major Bitcoin swings, I've noticed a regular pattern. price diverging from RSI and MACD indicators before a massive move. And right now, the charts are telling me we might see one more upside move in Bitcoin before any potential downtrend. This divergence acts like a warning signal. It doesn't mean that the party is over yet, but it suggests the top might be near. The key here is timing, catching that final bullish wave before the market reverses. So keep an eye on those indicators. They could give us the early clues we need to navigate this next big swing. Remember, it's all about staying ahead the market, not chasing it. So to sum it all up, I'm betting on bullish move in near term, both for Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. But remember, in this game, nothing is guaranteed. Stay sharp, watch those key levels, and be ready for anything. Now that we have analyzed the charts, let's talk about where Bitcoin might actually be headed. Experts and analysts are buzzing with predictions, and some are throwing out some pretty big numbers. But here is the thing, I'm not as optimistic about those sky-high figures, at least not yet. You see, I like to approach the market with a healthy dose of caution. Sure, we might see Bitcoin hit $110,000, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. In this high probability upside move, I'm keeping my expectations grounded. My initial targets, $80K, $100K, and if we are really pushing it, $110K. That's where I'm placing my bets for now. But remember, I always plan my trades based on the worst case scenarios. Who knows? Maybe the market goes absolutely wild, far beyond what everyone is expecting. If that happens, we will adapt and act accordingly. But let's be real, it's too early to start talking about those massive dramatic numbers for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto space. Let's focus on what's in front of us and take it one step at a time. Plan B, for instance, has been pretty bullish with his stock to flow model, suggesting Bitcoin could reach between $100,000 to $288,000 in this cycle. Cathy Wood from ARK Invest is also confident, projecting a long-term price of $500,000. But again, let's not lose sight of the present. We need to see how the market unfolds before jumping on the super bullish train. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting developments in the crypto world, institutional adoption. In the past few years, we have seen major financial institutions stepping into the Bitcoin space, and this has been a game changer. From Tesla to MicroStrategy, big names are making significant moves. But one company that stands out above the rest is BlackRock. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager with over $9 trillion under management, has officially entered the Bitcoin arena. With their application for a Bitcoin ETF and growing interest in crypto assets, it's clear that institutional players are no longer dipping their toes. They're diving in. When a giant like BlackRock gets involved, it signals a massive shift in how traditional finance views Bitcoin. This kind of involvement adds a layer of legitimacy and could pave the way for even more institutions to follow the suit. This isn't just speculation anymore. The smart money is making moves, and that could have a significant move on the crypto market. And these institutional players continue to pour in. The demand for Bitcoin and other cryptos is likely to increase, which could drive prices even higher. But remember, this kind of adoption doesn't happen overnight. This is a process, and we are still in the early stages of something big. So there you have it, the analysis, the predictions, and the institutional moves that could push Bitcoin to new highs. But as always, stay cautious, do your own research, and be ready to pivot as the market evolves. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Where do you think Bitcoin is headed next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.